Hi and hello there, welcome to my channel Learn with Albert Pinto. Now, this is a 404 page, looks great but simple. Now, what do you expect here for a visitor when he reaches? Well, 404, there is nothing in here for a visitor instead to search for. The visitor knows that the page he is looking for does not exist here and he will simply vanish. Shoo, goodbye. And the bounce rate of your site will increase. You know, for a good site to grow, your site should have a good bounce rate. And for the improvement of your site bounce rate, you have the whole. You are the boss. Do you want to hold a visitor on your site for a little longer by giving him some more options to look for? I mean, some other links to check. This way the visitors might wait and search for some other information and click on the links that you are providing in here. This is a great video and very informative for you, so keep watching until the end to know two things: how to redirect 404 URLs to your homepage or to any other page such as blog, contact me, etc., etc., and how to increase the bounce rate. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. In this video, I will disclose to you the most important plugin that will redirect all your 404 errors to homepage just like that, directly. Once a new visitor reaches to your site, he is lost in the bushes. He does not know what to do. So set up a custom, a very helpful 404 page so that he or she stays onto your site a little longer. So today I will show you Smart Custom 404 Error Page plugin. This is a very handy plugin that allows anyone to easily create your own 404 page without doing any hard work in few seconds by simply installing the plugin. That's the beauty of this plugin. So what does the plugin do? The plugin is very much different from the other plugins. This plugin will provide the right code to the search engines and inform them that the page does not exist and the page has to be removed from the index. Secondly, it's a simple plugin that will not provide additional load on your server. So let's not waste much of your time and let's get into the business. This is my site where I will install the plugin. First, I will show you the 404 error by writing anything in that link. So this is my 404 error page. Now let us install the plugin first. Click on plugin and then click on add new. Type in there Smart Custom 404 error. And the plugin pops up. Remember the creator's name. Now click on install and then click on activate. Now let's go back to search the plugin. Let's click on settings. Well, this is your default home page setting. And here you can see that Yoast SEO has deactivated the page created by them. Now let us refresh the page. Let me create a 404 one more time. So here is the default home page now. Let's go back. Here you have the necessary options. Select the best option. I will go with the home page option and click on save. We shall see the changes by refreshing here. There you are. In my home page, here I have tags and menus. Your home page will be different. It means the visitors come here on home page. They have options to click and search. This way, the bounce rate will decrease. They have options to click and search for any other articles or posts. Is this video helpful to you? If yes, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my newly created channel. Help me to achieve the monetization quickly. Help me to help you. Well, take care and bye-bye until I see you again with another important video.